What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at how to grow traffic, send traffic to your Shopify store, and make more sales by launching an affiliate program on Shopify. This is currently my favorite tactic for getting more traffic and significantly boosting sales on Shopify. But when you look up on YouTube how to generate traffic for your Shopify store, you get a bunch of videos about how to use Facebook ads, and then maybe the occasional video on how to use Instagram influencer marketing. These have been the most popular tactics over the past few years. But honestly, people trying to start out using these tactics fail a lot. If you've tried them yourself, you've probably failed multiple times. And the gurus keep telling you, no, it's the wrong product. You need to try hundreds, if not, thousands of different products before you find the right one that you can scale. Today, we're going to talk about why they are lying to you, why this strategy is wrong. Not that you cannot use Facebook ads, but I'm going to show you why, what the flaw is. And let's go ahead and dive into that right now, because Facebook ads were a very easy way to launch a Shopify store and start drop shipping a few years ago. Facebook ads were a lot cheaper back then. Marketing off of Facebook was kind of taboo. People were still using Google search a lot, and Facebook was this new thing. People didn't really know how to monetize ads. So you could find a product fairly easily and launch it on Shopify and start driving traffic through Facebook ads. But as soon as that hype caught up, Facebook ads became very much more expensive. The demand for buying these ads was a lot pricier, and unless you found a very specific niche, it was really hard to get a cost-effective ad launched, making it very difficult to kind of set up your Shopify store that way. Unfortunately, with the way that YouTube works, people like to recycle content, and so this strategy is still getting pushed when it is not the most effective strategy in 2019. You can much easier set up an affiliate program on your Shopify store, find influencers, bloggers, people in your niche that you can reach out to, bring them on board and have them sell your products for you, incentivizing them by giving them a percentage of sales on every sale made. Now, assuming you know the margin on your products, after everything else is factored in, including what it costs, what your estimated return rate is, and any other overhead that might be factored into running your store, you can then carve out a percentage that is high enough to incentivize these people, with very strong niches to recommend your products. And you're gonna have to do a little convincing here. This is not necessarily an easy strategy. It's definitely a bulk strategy. You'll have to reach out to a ton of people to get this started, but I will actually show you an easy hack that I use to do that as well. That said, getting back to the point, setting up an affiliate program on Shopify is a much easier way to scale because people are doing the work for you. In 2019, affiliate programs and referral programs are still the most common way for any brand to launch and for sustained older brands to continue getting more revenue and getting more customers on board. Look at any ride-sharing company, Lyft, Uber, food delivery companies like DoorDash, Instacart. Their referral programs are huge. Look at any apps that you see, any popular apps that are actually looking to scale in the App Store. They also have affiliate programs. You need to be using affiliate programs on your Shopify store. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick in a minute here a new product that I'm about to launch. I have drop shipped in the past. This is not a drop shipping product because I'm graduating to the big leagues here. My team has acquired the patents to this product and we are manufacturing it. We're about to ship 5,000 of these into the US, and then I will be building out the Shopify store in the next couple weeks here, and we're gonna be launching this product. So I'm gonna show you guys the old website of the couple that actually started making this product and built it out of their garage. They could not keep up with demand, and they honestly did not do much at all as far as online marketing. So the potential here is huge, and I am very excited about it. I'm gonna show you guys that. I'm gonna give you a sneak peek on that, and then we're gonna go into my strategy about how I'm using affiliate marketing to launch this, because I have a very detailed strategy that I've used, and it's actually quite simple, but it took me kind of a couple of years, a few years actually as an affiliate on the back end of it, figuring out. That's how I kind of got introduced to selling online, was as an affiliate. So I know it from that perspective, and then I spent a year or so doing drop shipping out of my own stores. So it kind of took me a lot of time to materialize this strategy, and I'm going to give it to you guys for free today, mostly because I know that giving stuff for free makes it less valuable. So the chances that everyone uses this and it becomes less effective are highly unlikely. So let's go ahead and dive into my computer and let's take a look at that product that I'm about to set up. So here's the website for the Doodle Stick. It's thedoodlestick.com. And as I mentioned earlier, They did a lot of sales without actually knowing a whole lot about selling online. And as you can see, the website's actually missing a banner here. There might have been something in the past, but currently it's not up. And the product itself down here is the doodle stick. It's a cool little kid's toy where you throw in a bunch of chalk and then you can kind of draw on the sidewalk without actually kneeling or laying down, which is a really cool way for, you know, kids to use chalk, and also for parents to use chalk outside without, you know, getting down on the ground, which no one really likes to do. So it, you know, it fills a need. There's definitely a problem solved. There's a big niche for it, and they do have some proof of concept here with a lot of sales that were made in the past, in spite of the fact that it wasn't sold online. So I'm really excited to take this product, put it on Shopify in a much cleaner looking website, and use some affiliate marketing to push this product out to the masses and see how far we can scale it. The one thing that I do really like about this website is the About Us page. Give it a second to load here. This does take some time. I'm using the Brave browser, which is actually a lot faster than other browsers, but my computer itself is just really slow right now. And so yeah, you can see here, there's a story about, you know, how Chris kind of started out with this product, making it out of his garage, and it's something that, you know, is really cool to see. It's a good way to connect with the audience because there's a lot of families that are going to be buying this product as well. So let me go ahead and show you guys inside the Affililate app on the Shopify store, and I'm just going to show you the brief overview of it. We're not going to get too much into it or into the setup. I'm going to have another video for that later, but just want to show you a brief overview and why I love this app so much, because there are other affiliate program apps out there that you can use on Shopify, but Affililate is a very great price point for a very strong and functional tool. All right, so here we are in the Shopify App Store looking at the Affililate app, and as you can see, the ratings are pretty good at 4.6 stars. It comes in just slightly lower than the ratings for the Reversion app, which are at 4.7 stars on a lot more reviews. Reversion's been around for a lot longer, and it was kind of the go-to affiliate marketing app for Shopify, but Affililate has a ton of functionality and the price point is much lower. If you want to get set up on Reversion, you pay $90 per month, which for some small-time stores is really going to price us out of affiliate programs. You know, for me personally, I could afford it, but I will always take the cheaper option if it's available and if it's comparable. And Affililate, in my opinion, is honestly very comparable. You can get Affililate starting at $16 a month, you know, for just a small amount of affiliates, and then kind of scale it up as you grow. There's also a free 30-day trial, which is plenty of time to test it out. And as you can see, there's a lot of tracking that's built in, which is really the most important part. It's important for me to be able to track my affiliates and also to give some transparency to them about their progress, for them to be able to log into an affiliate dashboard and see all of that stuff and whatnot. And as you can see, pricing starts out at $16 a month for up to 50 affiliates, and then you kind of price up $24 a month for up to 200 affiliates. And you know, as if you're trying this out and it's working for you, it definitely makes sense to pay more as you scale up, assuming that you are personally vetting all of your affiliates. There's a couple options in here when you're setting up. You can either just allow anyone to sign up for your affiliate program, which, you know, does not always make sense, because you don't want people that aren't taking it seriously, and you don't want people that are kind of taint the image of your brand. You want only the best affiliates, so you do want to screen those in there. And assuming that you're screening all of your affiliates, every time you add a new affiliate to your program, they're going to be bringing in revenue, so it makes sense to spend a little bit more here. All right, so without diving too far into this app, because I am going to be doing a full review later and show you guys how to set it up, let's just talk a little bit about the basics of launching an affiliate program, because, you know, the important part isn't how to set up the Affililate app. It's pretty straightforward and easy to do, you know, assuming that you hit a couple of things like screening the affiliates that are coming in and setting up your commissions on a percentage base. Because that's the easiest way to keep track of your margins and make sure that you're running a profit when you're selling products. If you're giving affiliates a flat fee of a certain dollar amount, you know, it is possible for it to get out of hand. So it's definitely best, in my opinion, to use the percentage base. Those are just the two, you know, quick tips that I'm going to give you. And then let's talk about overview of how to set up an affiliate program, because this is where a lot of people get stuck. And for me, it's really a numbers game. It's about how many potential influencers, bloggers, and new affiliates that you can reach out to, because it really is a bulk thing. It's going to be a low percentage of people that actually end up signing up for your affiliate program. And then you got to think about how you approach these people, because you certainly increase your chances of getting an affiliate to sign up by having a very tailored pitch to them and selling them like you would sell anybody else, getting to know them and showing them what value it is that they add, showing them why your products are a good fit for their niche. And so you kind of have two options there. You can take a lot of time to try and get to know potential affiliates and build out that way. If you're trying to build a long-lasting brand, it could be a good way to go. But there's also the other way, which is just a bulk, try and rein in as many potential affiliates as you can, which does also work. A lot of big brands actually do this quite a bit, and it works for them. It helps you scale, assuming you do have a good product and you do take some time to screen out the bad affiliates once you've kind of cast your nets very wide. So what I like to do is I like to kind of get my following going in a bunch of different niches, whether that's it's usually Instagram, Facebook, maybe YouTube, and then I will kind of just automate messages to send out to these people, to the ones that are in a similar niche as me, and invite them into my affiliate program. Once they've joined, I will then screen them out and only accept the best ones. And this works the best for me because it's a good way for me to kind of automate my affiliate growth and send out messages to as many followers as I possibly can, bring them in, and then get them to sell my products. It takes a lot of messages and a lot of getting out there and just inviting people to your affiliate program to actually get good selling affiliates in there. But if you do use some automation, it's a good way to kind of cut out a lot of this time and make this easier on you. So that's my one free advice for you of how to scale quickly using an affiliate program.